Sometimes improving your planing is just a matter of changing a few things that are a little bit annoying sometimes. If you're a fan of Stanley planes, we now have our hex socket replacement screw kits. On the Bedrock side, of course, you replace that screw with that one. You replace your lever cap screw with this one. Now the Bedrock is a little bit different. The frog is held in place with 2 pins that go down through, and then the back side there are 3 screws. These ones are hardened, as are the replacements. They've got a point on the end of them, and they engage these two. They saw the cone-shaped hole on the bottom side. They engage it just below center, so as you tighten this screw, it pulls that pin down and holds the frog securely in place. So there's those 2 replacements, and then you've got your center screw that little tab of metal right there fits into, and then when you move it one way or the other, it either brings your frog back or takes it forward. And again, with the socket on there, you can get at it from an angle, and it doesn't interfere with the performance. So just a small expense to make your plane a little bit better to use. Hey, why not?